All right. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this week. It's a new week, and it's another time to secure the bag. Last week was amazing. We had 34 complete reaction and 2 incomplete reaction. So last week was awesome. Last week was great. And also, like I said on the chat, I'm really excited about the membership system. Now, this enables us to do more. This enables us to get in more educators and grow this community. So the website is live and it is pretty much easy and straightforward. All you just want to do is sign up. All you want to do is sign up, fund your account, then activate your membership. I'll quickly just share my screen. Let me just take us through the website and how we can do that. Then after that, we go ahead to secure the bag. All right. So if you can see my screen, can you just please type 777 in the chat box? If you can see my screen, I want to see some 7s in the chat box. Okay. I want to see some 777 in the chat box. Yeah, I like 777 because, man, we are the 7-figure traders. I want to make 7 figures in dollars. So I want to see 7. I want to see 7. Are we on this call? Are we on this call? If you can hear me and you've not typed 7, please type 7 in the chat. Type 777 in the chat. All right. So this is the website and this is what it looks like. This is the website, the HFX Arena. Welcome to the HFX Arena. Our membership register. So about the HFX Arena, you get education, trade ideas, live trade session, and your network. So then these are the membership plans. We have the VIP weekly, which is $15 per week, the VIP monthly, $50 per month, and the VIP annually, which is $500 per year. Pretty straightforward. So what you want to do is, what you want to do is sign up if you don't have an account already. So I want to do that person. So if you don't have an account, all you want to do is register. So you click on the register. I'll quickly just do a small tutorial because I'm recording this for other people as well. So let's say I'm quickly trying to sign up. So after putting your details, you click register, and that's it. Your account has been created. And you want to click login. So I click login. I put in my credentials. And I click I'm not a robot. And I log in. So now this is my dashboard. This is my account. So to activate a membership plan, you need to first fund or deposit into your wallet. So you have an e-wallet on this portal. So everyone that signs up has an e-wallet assigned to them. So you need to first fund your e-wallet, then you then activate your membership. So I just click on deposit to deposit into my e-wallet. So when I click on deposit, I put in the amount, say I want to deposit $100. Select payment gateway. We have 2 payment gateways here for now, which eventually we will add more as we go. So we have 2 payment gateways. One is bank transfer and one is Flutterwave, which is card payment. So I would quickly show that of the bank transfer now. So when I click deposit, now it shows me the details, the account name I'm paying to, the account number, the bank, then it shows me the exchange rate. So you see we have 3 notes. Note 1, multiply your deposit amount with a specified exchange rate before you make your transfer. Note 2, minimum deposit is $15 and maximum deposit is $1,000. So you can deposit $1,000 into your wallet, then you keep renewing your membership as you go. Then the last one says our package prices in Naira are VIP weekly 9,000 Naira, VIP monthly 30,000 Naira, VIP annually 300,000 Naira. So that's that. So if I'm depositing via bank transfer, I just do the Naira equivalent, then make the transfer to this account. Then alternatively, if I want to deposit, say I want to deposit using card payment, which is Flutterwave, I click deposit. So the good thing is when you click deposit via Visa or MasterCard, it converts the dollar to Naira for you. So let's say I put in my card details. Now, while I put in my card details, it does the conversion. Now, can you see $100? It says the original amount is 100 USD. For this transaction, for this transaction, fees inclusive has been converted to your card currency. You'll be charged this amount at 622.2 to 1 USD. So you can actually pay with your card or you can pay via bank transfer. So that's pretty much the website. And let's say I make this payment. I do this payment.
What was that?
So let's say I do this payment. So I'm going to deposit into my, let me just do bank transfer. I'll do a smaller amount. So let me say I'm doing $50. Bank transfer, deposit. So let me just quickly do that.
What happened to you?
Still good. Sometimes when weather comes, it starts wanting to maybe chip it off or use the contact to trip it off.
Is it hot?
Yeah, sometimes it does.
And I was just thinking, I said, maybe I love this dog.
All right, so I make the transfers. Let me come back to my dashboard. So yeah, this, I didn't do this, but I did $50. So USD $50 in my account now. So what I want to do is come to membership. Then I click on whichever one I want to do. So VIP weekly is $15. I just click activate and I'll be activated for 7 days. So after 7 days, my membership will be over. Then I have the $50 monthly. So I just click on activate and I'll be activated. So let me just do that. And that's basically it. So activated, I'll get an email that says your subscription has been active, your subscription is active and all of those details. So this is my expiration date. So I'm currently an active subscriber, and I have VIP membership monthly. So basically that's how to use the website. It is pretty easy, pretty straightforward, and that's it. So I just log out. So we are having everyone the VIP monthly package for today and tomorrow for free, just to facilitate the launch of the website. Then from Wednesday, just members, people who have active membership, who have active membership subscription will be shared the link for our sessions. All right. So, but today, tomorrow, we still have the free session, and that's it. That's it. All right. So let's quickly go on to securing the bag. We first go through our rules. Then after that, we come back to see what the market has for us. So I'll just drop our rules on the chart. Drop our rules on the chart. Our 2022 trading rules. So our rule says trades are 3 to 5 minutes fixed time off. The second rule says use good risk management, 3 to 5% of your equity, not more than 5%. So if you're on a trade and if you're signed up on your broker, you have $1,000, you are advised to use just $3 to trade. $3. If you're going to shoot it up, do not use more than $5 to trade. So a maximum of $3 to trade. 3% to trade, not more than 5%. So if you have $1,000, you are using $30 to trade. All right. Now it says roll over maximum of 2 times if need be. Do not roll more than 2 times. Then stop trading if you take 3 lessons at a row. So let's say you are in the market and you take your first lesson 3%, second lesson 3%, third lesson 3%. That's enough. So just leave the market for the time. But here at the HFX arena, we do not take lessons. Why? Because we properly look at the market. If the market is not aligning, we don't bother going into the trade. So it's better to stay off the market than to go into the market just because you want to trade and you lose your money to the broker. So again, I like to advise or say to everyone, make sure you keep an open mindset while you are trading. Positivity is gold in trading. Positivity is gold. You don't want to keep fretting while you're taking the trade. So long as you do your analysis properly, be positive. Positivity is also a requisite for trading. So please keep an open mind, and we'll secure the bag together. All right. So the first thing we want to do is check our news. Are we together? Are we on this call? If you're on this call and you can hear me, please type 777. If you're on the call, you can hear me, type 777. Okay, so I believe everybody can hear. So the first thing we want to do is check the news. We see that there's bank holiday on USD for the whole day. So we're advised to stay away from USD. Advised to stay away from USD. Advised to stay away from USD. Except you monitor the currency over time and you see that, okay, yeah, it's stable for some time. But I don't think it is, because this morning when I checked, I noticed USD was 4 bars and now it's 2 bars. It's 2 bars. So if it's stable, we will go ahead. And if it's not stable, we will let it go. So everything is fine other than USD. So we're not trading USD for now. And the next thing we want to do is check the strength, the currency strength. Can you see that change in just a split second? So we see that AUD is strong, Euro is strong, JPY is weak, CHF is weak, USD is weak, NZ is 3 bars. So all we want to do, the next thing we want to do is confirm or validate, like I do like to validate the currency strength with FinViz, just to be sure that yes, what lifechart.co.uk is giving me is the correct currency strength. So FinViz shows me the currency strength in percentage. So we can see AUD is strong, it's the strongest on FinViz. On lifechart.co.uk, AUD is strong, it's 5 bars. It's actually one of the strongest. Euro is also one of the strongest. JPY is weakest. So we can see that this currency pair are fine. The strength is correct. JPY is weak here, JPY is weak here. Euro is strong here, AUD is strong here, and likewise, AUD is strong here, euro is strong here. Then let's see CAD. CAD is also strong. So euro AUD CAD, good, against JPY. Remember the rule says you trade a strong currency against a weak currency. You are trading a stronger currency. For every currency pair, just for those that are new, for every currency pair, for instance, euro JPY or AUD JPY or USD JPY, for every currency pair, the first currency that is mentioned or the first currency that is written is the base currency. And that currency tends to pull the price action towards itself. So the first currency moves up, while the quote currency, which is the second currency, moves down. So what the currency does is it tries to push or pull the currency strength, the price action towards itself. So if we have a currency pair, say Euro CHF, Euro CHF. Now, Euro is facing upward because it's the first currency. On the chart, Euro is always upward. CHF is downward. So what will make the price come towards CHF is the strength. So this is fundamental analysis. This is fundamental. If Euro is stronger than CHF, it is obvious that price will work its way towards Euro. That is fundamental analysis. But then we don't base our trades on just fundamental analysis alone because there can be a flip. That's why we use other indicators. Are we together? Are we together? If you are new here and you are getting value or you are learning, please put value on the chart. If you understood what I just said, put value on the chart. If you understood what I just said, put value on the chart. If you are new here and you got this, what I just said, you got it, just put value in the chart. So for every currency, the first or the base currency moves upward and the quote currency moves downward. So what pushes the price action is the strength of the currency. So if, for instance, we have a currency pair, Euro USD, we see that Euro is 5 bars, USD is 2 bars. Now, naturally, price will work its way towards Euro because Euro is stronger, USD is weaker. That's basically how fundamental analysis works. So now that we've known this, now let's look at the currency we want to trade. I think my first currency will be Euro JPY, AUD JPY, Euro Chef, AUD Chef, Euro JPY, AUD Chef, Euro JPY, AUD JPY, Euro Chef, AUD Chef. Let's look at those 4 for now. So yeah, everything looks good here as well. So now let's come to our technical analysis. Euro JPY. Remember what we do. This guy is already ready. Can you see momentum? Can you see stochastic and RSI? So please, let's wait for it. Let's just chart. We chart the daily. The previous day was last week, Friday. So remember, this market is on an uptrend. So I'll chart the week of the current day candle. I'll color this green. I'll chart the body. And I'll chart the body of the previous day, which is Friday. Then I move to the hourly. Now, the current hour candle, this is the week. This is the previous hour candles week. I move to the 15 minutes. So this is the 15 minutes. So we have 2 zones, guys. We have 2 zones for Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Let me go back to the 5 minutes. So our first entry on this call, possible 3 to 5 minutes bullish reaction on Euro JPY at the 990, or it's already going up. 990, 920. I know some guys are already in that trade. Some technical guys, technical traders are already in that trade. So that's the first idea. That's our first idea. Market will come there, don't worry. Market will come there. Market will come there. So that's the first idea. So if it comes down to the 990, I will go in. That's Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Remember, our trades are 3 to 5 minutes. So you can take your trade for 3 minutes. You can take your trade for 4 minutes. You can take your trade for 5 minutes. So on my session, that's my rule. On David's session, King David, his strategies are different. So his trades are usually 3 minutes. So, but mine, 3 to 5 minutes. So what we are waiting for is market to come down to 990. Sorry, Euro JPY. 990. Sorry, I'm coming. I need to get something. 990. So what's this broker giving me? Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, 990. This is it. It's already buying. It's already buying, but don't worry, market will come down. So that's one. That's one. If you know when we got on the technical analysis, we saw it already. We saw it already. So if we had entered it, we would have been in profit. So no problems. If you didn't enter, it's okay. Anybody go in? Did anybody enter? If you enter that market when we saw it, please let me know. If you went into that market, you went into Euro JPY, let me know if you did. Anybody did? Did anybody go in? I know some people are technical guys and they are fast. So if you went in, I want to know if anybody went in. All right, nobody did. So let's look at something else. That's Euro JPY. Let's look at AUD JPY. AUD JPY. Okay. Let's quickly chart. It's an uptrend, it's an upward movement. The trend is upward. So like we do, we chart the week and the body of the current day. Now I'm charting this for the previous day. So I come to the hourly. This is the current hour candle. This is the previous hour candle. Then I come to the 15 minutes. And we have a zone already. We have a zone. This zone is good, very good. Market has reacted there twice. So it's sure that market will react there again. So just one zone for AUD JPY. AUD JPY 484. Change it quick. AUD JPY 484, our second entry. Possible 3 to 5 minute bullish reaction on AUD JPY at the 484 area. 484 area. So please let's note these zones. Let's note these zones. I'll put it again on the chart. I'll put it again on the chart. So we have two ideas we're waiting on. That's AUD JPY. Let's check. It's coming, it's coming. Let's check Euro JPY. Euro JPY is also coming. So two entries are coming. Two entries are coming. Euro JPY and AUD JPY, both entries are coming. Quickly come. We're waiting on you. We're waiting on you. USD JPY. All right. That's another idea. That's another idea. 3 to 5 minutes bullish reaction on USD JPY at 221 to 212. 221 to 212. Let's look at it. 221 to 212.
I thought there's a bank holiday.
221. No, it's a good zone. It's a good zone. I mean, that's what I'm checking. That's what I'm checking. There's bank holiday on what's it called? USD. So there's a way you trade holidays, you trade currencies during holidays. I mean, if 4 currencies are not on holiday, we're still going to trade. So we'll pick a very good zone. So this zone here is very good. So the zone that gave us, the zone that it gave us is good. This zone is so good. 221 to 212, but I'll wait for 209. 209 is a lot good for me. Okay, let's check the other. So we have three ideas now. We have three ideas. Euro JPY is coming. AUD JPY is coming. So on Euro JPY, I want to take my first entry on Euro JPY. Remember 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm on Euro JPY. I took at 002. That's my first entry on Euro JPY. So let me go to AUD JPY. AUD JPY, please come down. We're waiting on you. AUD JPY. AUD JPY waiting on you. Remember 3 to 5 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes. AUD JPY, don't stall. Come down. Come down and pick us up. Can you see it's coming? It needs to come to this line. So I've taken my first entry on Euro JPY technically. So I'm waiting for AUD JPY to come to this zone. If it comes to 504, I'm going on my first entry technically. Then I'll wait for it to come down and take a second entry. So those are two ideas, three ideas. Let me go back to USD JPY. Let's see. It's coming. Can you see? It's coming. It's coming. SJPY is coming. So guys, let's watch it. We have three ideas now. AUD JPY, where are you? Come on, come on. We're waiting. Are we in on Euro JPY? Euro JPY got to our zone.
No.
Did anybody enter? If you're on Euro JPY, please let me see your entry point in the chart.
990.
If you are on Euro JPY, let me see your entry point in the chart. Who entered Euro JPY? Come on, AUD JPY, you didn't do us well. You didn't let us go in. Anybody got in on AUD JPY? Technical guys, did you? Anybody did? AUD JPY, did anybody go in? I want to see your entry points in the chart, please. If you enter any of these ideas, Euro JPY got to our zone. If you entered any of these trade ideas, please let me see your entry points in the chart. Euro JPY 996. Okay, 996. 996 is good. You should be in profit. 995 is good. You should be in profit. So guys, I want to see, we are on this call. I want to see your entry points. Or you didn't take the, if you didn't take the trade, please put, I did not enter the market, or I didn't enter that trade. I want to see our zones. I want to see our entry points. If you enter Euro JPY, please let me see your entry point. Market is still coming down. It's still going to react. So you might come down. If you've not entered, be ready to enter. If you've not entered, be ready to enter. Euro JPY. Okay, you did not enter. 940, 994 is good. If it comes back to our zone, please go in on Euro JPY. If it comes back there, I'm waiting on AUD JPY. AUD JPY is still stalling. It's still stalling. AUD JPY is stalling. It needs to come down. So this is another zone for a technical entry. So if it comes down to 514, I will go in. But our main zone is 484. Cleared UG. Cleared EG. Nice, nice. Put your score in the chat, your green bubbles on the Telegram group. I want to see it. So we have 1-0 already. We've already cleared the first idea. Guys, if you are not entered, this market will still come down. Don't worry. If it comes down to our zone, enter. The 993 area is good. 993 area below is good. Enter. Remember, I entered on a higher entry. So if it comes down here, I'll still go in again. I'll still go in again if it comes down there. So if you're not in the trade and you want to go in, you can go in. Remember, proper risk management is one of the things we teach. Don't over leverage. Clear. I mean, that was a good setup. So everybody should clear that. Everybody should clear that. Please put clear on the Telegram group. I want to see. Put clear. If you've cleared, put clear. Can you see? Market is coming down. I took it for 5 minutes, so I'm ready to roll. And I took a lower entry, so it's okay. I would roll if market push down. I'll take another entry. If it does, push down. Please put your green bubbles in the group. I want to see it. I like to see it. I like to see it. Put your green bubbles. Put your green bubbles. Please put your eyes on AUD JPY and also USD JPY. Put your eyes on it. Put your eyes on it. Put your eyes on it. I can't roll anymore. So I'm hoping that this guy pushes up and clear me. I'm hoping he pushes up and clear me. AUD JPY is okay. He got to the first zone. So I want to go in on the first AUD JPY. I want to go in on my first entry. Okay, let me quickly take the screenshot of this one. Okay. So that's our first one. AUD JPY got to a technical zone, which I want to go in. AUD JPY. It got to 514. So I want to go in on the first entry, then I will enter again when it comes down. That's officially 10. We have 3 items. So I'm in on AUD JPY. I entered at 1518. Our zone is 484. Our zone is 484. I believe everybody has cleared the first idea. So we are 1-0 on this call officially. We are 1-0 on this call. Euro JPY again. Let's see if Euro JPY will react. Guys, Euro JPY again. I'm going on Euro JPY. I'm going on Euro JPY again. Please, proper risk management. No. Hold on. Euro JPY. Hold on. Let me see. Don't go yet. Don't go in yet. Euro JPY 990. Let it come. Is the 40 minutes? I mean, is it? So there will be a reversal in the next 5 minutes. So please wait for the original entry. It will come there. You can go in, then it will reverse after a while. So please wait for it. Wait for the original entry on Euro JPY. Euro JPY 990. So if it comes down here, I'll enter first. Okay. I'm in on one entry. AUD JPY. We're still on that trade. I don't know if you entered AUD JPY, but I entered technically. I entered at 1518. If you entered Euro JPY again, let me see your entry point. If you entered the second time, let me see your entry point. And if you entered AUD JPY, let me see your entry point. Cleared EJ. Okay, that's EJ. Who entered EJ the second time like me? I entered EJ the second time. I entered AUD JPY as well. Who entered EJ the second time? Please let me know. Let me know what's happening on your end. I like us to communicate. Please use the chat to communicate. Use the chat to communicate. EJ at 998. Somebody entered EJ at 998. That's fine. EJ at 998. That's good. AJ has come down to the original zone. I'm taking my first roll on AJ. I'm taking my first roll on AJ. Guys, can you see EJ? Can you see EJ? Can you see EJ? That's a second idea. I mean, a second entry on one idea. It was too fast. Yeah, I know. It was too fast. It was too fast. So on AJ, I took my first rule. AJ is on a good zone, guys. Our original point for AJ is, where is AJ? Guys, can you see? Upward arrow and check. AJ, let's see AJ. AJ, guys, if you're not on AJ, go in, please. The main zone is 484, but you can go in where it is. It's good. It's good where it is. You can go in. Make sure you go in for 3 to 5 minutes. You know, it will reverse in the next. It has picked up already. Anybody went in on AJ? Anybody went in on AJ? Can you please talk? I want to see your what's called entry point. Cleared AJ. Nice. officially 2-0 right now. EJ is cleared, but we're going to be 3-0 if you took the second entry. If you took the second entry on EJ, you should be getting ready to clear as well. Oh, it's pulling down, it's pulling down. So on EJ, I'm taking a first roll. Please take a roll on EJ. There'll be a reversal. There'll be a reversal. Take a roll, take a roll, take a roll. There'll be a reversal, so take a roll. Market is trying to push, and I will take a second entry as well, but I will wait. I will take a second entry, but I'll wait. On EAJ, I will take a second entry at 502. So calm down, EJ. Please don't let any trade go. Take a roll. The analyses are good. Take a roll. I've taken my first roll. I want to take another entry. I'm waiting for it to give me a good point. I want to enter at this point. It's pushed up already. Too fast. Okay, fine, that's okay. That's okay. On AJ, let it get to the zone. See, we have an original zone and we have a technical zone. So I entered here. This is the original zone. So, and it reacted at this point, and I showed us that this is a good point to enter. So if you entered here, is good. If you entered here with me, is good. But you know that technical trading, you need to watch it because you will take rows. Now, if you can wait, market will still come here. So if you've not entered, there's no problem. This was where we charted. This was our original zone. That's 484. Now we got a technical entry point at 514, and I entered there. Now he reacted at this point, and I told us when he was reacting that you can enter here as well. That's the 501, 502. So if you entered any of these places, you should be clearing. But if not, you can also wait for original zone. It will come there. Markets will come there. But do not enter where it is, please. Do not enter where it is. If you've cleared any of the second idea, please let me know. If you've cleared the second idea, let me know. If you've cleared the second idea, let me know. Let's quickly check UJ. Let's quickly check UJ. EJ cleared, nice. So we are officially 2-0. Let me see UJ. UJ reacted at 249. UJ reacted at 249. It's because we didn't check. If I had seen this first reaction, I'll have told us to go in. This first, see, it pulls down, it was coming down, it reacted here. So if I had noticed this reaction, I would have told us, allowed us to go in. But I wasn't checking it. AJ cleared, good, AJ cleared. Please put it on the Telegram group as well. Put it on the Telegram group. Type there. I also want to see it there, please. Type there. So that our score is officially 2-0. Please let me see your own score, your personal score. I mean, some people might be 3-0, some people might be 1-0. Some people came in late. Officially completed analysis. And 0-4-0. How? Some people are vexed. Some people are in the vexation mood this morning. 4-0. How? Wow. Guys, can you see what this guy is doing? For those that are patient, AJ is coming back to that zone. Do not let it go. If it comes back to that zone, please jump on it. 505. If it comes to 505, it might want to come there. Let me see EJ. Officially, we have 2 completed analysis. 2 completed one. Reacted as we analyzed. EJ twice. Now that makes sense. So officially we are 2-0, but some people have more. Okay. Somebody has cleared 5. Somebody has done 5 on 0 already. Come on. 5 on 0 already. Let me see this one. Okay. EJ is still complete. 3 on 0. Nice. 3 on 0. Please put it on the Telegram group. Put your scores on the Telegram group. Put your scores on the Telegram group. I want to see it there as well. Please share your scores. Please share your scores. Can you see UJ is coming back? UJ is coming back. 250 is good. Reacted there once, reacted there second time, it will react there again, don't worry. So UJ is fine. But if you're the patient trader, you want to wait for the original zone 209, you can wait. UJ, you can wait if you want to wait, but 250 is good. If it comes there, you reacted there twice, you can go in on UJ. That's the third analysis. Let's check AJ. AJ wants to come to his original point. Okay. AJ. So I'm waiting on AJ. So I'll put this on this line. So this is the reaction. But remember, we say when you see what's called react at the point, come on, it has gone. Sheesh. It has gone. Okay, it has gone. It has gone. Let me see your scores. Please, I want to see your scores in the chat. What's your score? What's your score? Officially, we have 2 completed analysis and 0 incomplete analysis. But some people have 5-0. I was stunned. AJ cleared 5-0. Some people have 4-0. Some people have 1-0. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Officially, we are 2 on 0. Let me see what EJ has for us now. Okay. Collect that. Let's look at some other ideas. EJ has paid us twice. AJ has paid us twice. Let's look at another idea. UJ, can you please leave UJ? Leave UJ alone. Leave UJ alone. UJ is too close, except you want to wait for the original zone. Let me come to UJ. Please leave you. If you've not gotten into UJ, do not go in. Please wait for the original zone, 209. If you want to enter UJ, wait for 209, please. Can you see momentum is already up? Stochastic RSI is going up. So it needs to get to this point. This point. Let me put it red here. It needs to get here and drop down. Let me see if I can do some charting. So the way the market moves, now market came down to this point. It reacted here. It came down here. It stopped. It came down here. It's still playing around this zone. So the market has to come here. When market gets to this point, it will push past this zone. So when it pushes past this zone, comes to this point, then you are ready to go and you see it skyrocket. So that's how the market plays. Okay, so that's 2 on 0 officially, but some people have 4 on 0. I have 3 on 0.
It's not working very well.
Let's look at AUD Chef. Let's look at AUD Chef. Let's look at AUD Chef and Euro Chef. AUD Chef. Chef is weak. So AUD Chef and Euro Chef can do the same thing. Euro Jpy wants to pay again. He wants to pay again. Euro Jpy wants to pay again. Euro Jpy wants to pay again. But let's watch it. Let's allow it come to its original zone. It's 1052. Now let's look at AUD Chef. Let's quickly chart. We chart the daily. It's an upward movement. So this was the previous chart I did. Then let's look at the hourly. This is the previous hour, and this is the current hour. Then 15 minutes. This is the previous 15 minutes, and this is the current 15 minutes. So, but you know, the lower the better, guys. So we have 2 zones, right? AUD chef, I'll wait for the lower zone, 822. AUD chef, 822. So let's note that. Possible 3 to 5 minutes bullish run on AUD chef at the 822 area or below. Okay, so this is another idea. This is another idea. Right. While we wait on these ideas, I quickly want to let me share my entire screen. So I'll stop sharing this. I'm sharing and share my entire screen. I want to just show you guys how to make it easy for you, because from Wednesday we're going to be communicating basically on the Telegram channel, the VIP Telegram channel. So I want to stop so I can share my entire screen. All you can just do is simply download the Telegram app, just where you have the WhatsApp app, and it would be easy for you. It would be easy for you. So let me just share this. So I have the Telegram app here. So I just paste into it. It's easier that way. And I have the Zoom chat. I have the Zoom chat. I can type, I can drop messages on the VIP group. So basically, you can just download the app, the Telegram app. It is, I mean, it's not heavy, it's not large, it's not a large file. Just download it, install it on your computer, and if you're trading with your phone, same thing, just communicate with the Telegram app itself. All right. So we are waiting on AUD CHF. Let's quickly look at Euro CHF as well. Sheesh. Euro CHF. See that push up. Let's quickly chart. It's an upward movement. Momentum is upward. So we chart the body and the week. There's only charting the week. It's so far. We chart the hourly. Come on, see this movement in the last 3 hours. See the way market moved, euro moved, this kind of movement. That's crazy. Euro CHF. So this is the current hour, and this is the previous hour. I'll chart the 15 minutes. Previous 15 minutes. Current 15 minutes, and I come to the 5 minutes. So we have our zone 0.35 Euro CHF, 3 to 5 minutes bullish reaction on Euro CHF at 0.35. 0.35. If you're on the call and you're making some profit, please put profit in the chat. If you're on the call, because I see we are 15 on this call, and I have just a few persons typing their scores. I want to be sure that everybody's profiting. I want to be sure everybody's profiting. If you're on this call and you are making profits on this session, all right, it's great learning here. That's fine. That's fine. You're welcome. Profit, I can see. I want to see it, guys. Let me see some profit in the chat. I want to see profit in the chat. If you're making some profit, put profits in the chart. Can you see what we are doing? We are waiting. See, one thing you need to know is we don't chase the market. We don't run after the market. The market has to come and meet us. You don't go to meet the market where it is. You wait for the market to come meet you. When it comes to your zone, which we've analyzed, then you enter. Remember, like we said the last time, we do not influence the market. We don't make decisions for the market. We let the market make it its decision. And after it has made its decision, we then join in with others. So when the market makes its decision to move upward or to go bullish, then we join in after it has made a decision. Not like we're going to decide the market going upward. If you do that, you will lose your money. So what we do is we wait for the market, get our zone. We know that when the market gets to this zone, it will react. So we wait for the market to get to the zone that we've charted or analyzed. Then we go in. So that's it. So now looking at our technical analysis, you see, stochastic is up, RSI is up. This guy must come down. If it doesn't come down, there must be a red candle that comes to this point or this point before we go in. If we don't see it, we're not going in. So that's the way, that's the practice we have here at the HFX Arena. You don't lose your money. If market does not align, don't worry, don't go in. It's better you have 2-0 than, you start losing money. All right. I can't see profit in the chart. I want to see profits. But we're not taking this trade. I know some people are new, some people are just learning. If you are profiting, I want to see profit. Come on, guys. Can you see this market? Okay, let's check the other ideas we are waiting on. Let's check the other ideas we are waiting on. 1-1. Why? How 1-1? No problems. If you are 1-1, it's okay. Officially, we are 2-0. Some people are even 5-0. Some people are 4-0. So I guess we didn't take a rule. NZD-USD. Let's check NZD-USD. NZD-USD. Let's see. We need to be careful with NZD-USD because it's closed. So I'll give us a good entry. See, NZD is 3 bar, USD is 2 bar, so it's closed. So we need to be very careful. I'll just check. I'm not calling that trade out, but let me just check. Euro CHF is started, it's down movement, it's 11 o'clock. Please, the other ideas, let's check the other ideas as well. 3-0, sheesh. Sheesh, 3-0. All right, let's check Euro JPY, Euro CHF. Euro JPY, he wants to pay us again. See, can you see RSI? Can you see stochastic? Can you see momentum? Euro JPY, I'm going in at 990 for a call. Euro JPY. I'm going in my first entry. Don't worry. I'm going in my first entry on Euro JPY. Let me look at AUD JPY again. Sheesh, AUD JPY broke that zone. Guys, going on AUD JPY. AUD JPY. Remember, you are doing 3 to 5 minutes. And you are doing 3 to 5%. 3%, please. 3%. So these guys have reacted already at these zones. So, but yes, it's the 10, 11 o'clock timing. So please, if you are going in, use minimal risk. AJ, I'm on AJ, I'm on AJ. AJ, it will react. Don't worry, it will react. It might take some time, some 5 minutes, but make sure you're ready to take a roll. On my session, you can take 2 rows. You can take 2 rows, 2 rows. So it's okay. Now, somebody said NU. Let's look at NU. NU. I want to give us a good zone on NU. So please hold on. I want to give us a good zone on NU. All right. So if you are going on NU, wait for it for 4 at the 475. If it does not get to 475, don't bother entering. The current session are so close. Except you are a technical guy, you now take it here. You reacted here, you want to take it here. Fine. Technical guys can take it at 483. 483 is okay. Let me go and enter it 483 technically. NU. Don't worry, leave that 483, please. Leave it. Leave 483. Wait for it. If you want to enter NU at all, please wait for it. See, these are the two zones for NU. 475, 458. NU already reacted. So if you will enter NU, NU is still good, like it still looks good. But if you will enter it, make sure you wait for it at 475 or 458. Those are the two zones you can enter NU. Anything other than that, do not go in. Do not go in at all. All right. So which other zones, which other ideas do we have? AJ. Okay. AUD chef. This guy reacted. We didn't check it. He got to our zone. Can you see? Market got to this zone and reacted. If it comes back there, you can go in on AUD chef. Let me check Euro chef. It's coming. It's coming. Euro chef. Euro chef is not there yet. It needs to come. Let it come before you go in. These are the two zones for Euro chef. Okay. Please take a roll. If you're not in profit, take a roll. I'm going to take my first roll. And if you've not entered the trade, then it's a lot better for you to go in now. EJ is pushing down. EJ is pushing down. Taking my first roll, and I will take second entry on EJ. So, but AJ is, see what AJ is doing. It's keeping me on the same line. So please, you want to manage that trade. Take a roll. Do not let it go. This market will react. So I'm taking my roll as well on AJ. Remember, my session is you can take two rolls. You can take two rolls. You can roll over 2 times. So if you're on the first timing and you're not clearing, take a roll. It's okay to take a roll. It's 11:05. So there should be some changes to the market. Okay, so let's watch this trade clear. Let's watch this trade clear. EJ, anybody entered EJ? Me, I want to see, did you guys enter? Did you guys enter EJ and EJ? Who entered? Let me see your entry point. Let me see your entry point, guys. I want to know where you entered. I want to know where you entered. I want to know where you entered. Let me see your entry point. I entered 2 zones on EJ. An upper entry and a lower entry, and I'm bull on the lower entry. So I still have the upper entry, which I still have one more rollover. Then on AJ, I don't think I need to roll over. Okay, I did roll over. Did I roll over on AJ? All right, no worries, no worries. I mean, I'm bull on AJ, I'm bull on EJ on the second entry. So the first entry, I'm still going to watch it because I wouldn't let it go. So let's watch it. Let's watch it. Remember, you can take 2 rows. If you take the first roll, you don't clear. If you take the second roll, you do not clear. Then leave it. Do not take the third roll. Do not take a third roll if you don't clear after 2 rows. But taking 2 rows is fine. I want to see your entry points. Who entered these ideas? Who got into these ideas again? Anybody? I want to know. I want to know. I want to know. I want to know. Who entered? If you entered, let me know. Let me know if you entered. Who entered? Who entered? Who entered? Anybody? AJ cleared. Nice. That's it, guys. That's it. That's it. That's it. AJ cleared. Somebody entered at 484. AJ 484. Let me see. Oh man, 484 is so sweet. You should be clearing in no time. You should be clearing in no time. So it is just EJ, which I entered technically. I'm waiting on. So EJ came down to that point. If you didn't enter EJ, you're supposed to have entered again when it came down here. Or maybe some people don't want EJ to pay them again because EJ has paid them before, which is fine. So I'm taking my second rule on the first entry on EJ because I know the market will return. So let me take my second rollover. So I took the first 5 minutes, the second 5 minutes, and now I'm on the third 5 minutes. So let's see, please, if you've cleared, let me know what your scores are. Let me know what your scores are. Can you see it? Analysis don't lie, guys. Analysis don't lie. Analysis don't play. Analysis don't lie. HFX is not playing. It's not playing. Can I see your scores, guys? Can I see your scores? Can I see your scores? 2-0. AJ cleared. Ha. Man, Toba, what's going on here this morning? AJ and AC cleared. Which is AC, bros? I didn't call any AC. I didn't call AC. 6-0. Sheesh. Guys, can you see this? No. I need to make a video of this. 6-0 on Discord. Somebody has profited 6 times. Come on, let me see your score, guys. Let me see your scores. Can you see this clear? Can you see this clear, guys? Can you see this clear? I want to see your score. Can you see? Oh man, somebody's 6-0. Somebody's 6-0. 6-0. Sheesh. 3-0. Somebody's 5-0. Guys, man, this is good. This is good. This is good. I want to see your scores. I want to see your scores. Please put your scores in the chat. Let me see your scores in the chat. I like to see it. 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 Let me see your scores in the chat. Tomakotsu for your guy. Man, Norms, what's your score? What's your score, Norms? Guys, I want to see your scores. I'm only seeing Toba and a few people. Put your scores. I want to see your scores. Put it on the chat. 4-0. Norms, that's good. 4-0. 4-0 is good. 4-0 is good. Oh, okay. That's okay. It's okay. We're good for the day already. Like, we're good for the day already. Let me see if we'll call one more trade. But at least some people should have met their daily targets. We're good already for the day. We're good already for the day. Let me see. Let me know your score. I think that will be it for today, guys. That will be it for today. We go again tomorrow, 6 a.m. King David's session is 6 a.m. My session is 10 a.m. AJ would react in the next 4 minutes. Let me check AJ again. AJ will react, guys. Don't worry, AJ will react. He will react. He will react. And if you're not in AJ, you want to go into AJ 454. If it comes down to 454, you can go in. But trust me, he will react. Just watch it. Watch it. See, this guy is ready. This guy is ready. This guy is ready. So we are all ready. 3 of them are ready. Stochastic, RSI, momentum, all three ready. So it will react. So it is just the currency that are playing right now. Everything good, everything good. So guys, that'll be it. Let's just watch this trade clear before we go. Can you see my last trade? The upper entry I took. Okay, I cleared this one. I took an upper entry on EG at the time, that time. And it took 2 rows. So I'm not taking the third row. If it doesn't clear, I let it go. If it doesn't react and clear, I let it go. That's the rule, guys. It's the rule. You need to live by the rule. So long as you stay by the rule, you wouldn't lose money. So if I take a lesson on this trade, that will be on me because I didn't enter at the right point. Okay, I wanted to trade technically. So that will make my score 5-1. So, but let's watch it. Market might just react. I don't have enough time. If I had more time, it is sure that market will react. It is sure. So guys, let's watch market play out. Means pulling down. I cannot take another rule. It's the rule. Let it go. But officially, our score is 3-0. 4-0, I mean 4-0. 4-0 officially. 4-0. So let's see. What other thing can we look at? Let me quickly check something else we can look at. Euro CHF and AUD CHF. Overbought. Can you see, guys? Overbought. AUD CHF. Euro CHF. Sheesh. Overbought. So, guys, okay, let me look at CAD CHF. CAD CHF. CAD CHF. So please, if you want to go on CAD CHF, the last idea, if it comes down to this point, then you can go. But if it doesn't, let it go. But I think we're good for the day already. So I took a lesson on this one, which is fine. I took a lesson. That's on me. So my score is 5-1. And it's okay. Please, let's see your scores in the chat. Whatever, if you've lost 10 trades or you lost 5 trades, let me see it. I want to be sure. If you've lost 5 trades, let me see that you lost 5 trades. Put it on the chat. If you lost any trade, let me go back to AJ and see the reaction of AJ. 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 Okay, AJ has gotten there. AJ. So I want to play with this AJ. I want to go in on AJ. AJ. So I want to go in on AJ. I'm in on AJ. My last entry. 1-1. Somebody's 1-1. Please enter AJ. Enter AJ. 1-1. I don't know why you had 1-1, but it's okay. Who entered AJ? Anybody entered AJ? Please, can I see your scores? Can I see I'm seeing only one person score. Can I see your score, guys? Can I see your score? Please show me your scores. Show me your scores. Show me your scores. I wanted us to enter. AJ got here and reacted, where we chatted here at some point. So AJ got here. Even if AJ reacts and push down a little, it will still pull back up. So if you've not entered AJ, you can enter AJ. If you've not entered AJ, you can enter AJ. I want to see your scores, guys. I want to see your scores. Please get on AJ. Let's have this one as well. Get on AJ. Somebody has 1-1. 1-1 is not a good score for me. Please, AJ has come down to 451. Enter AJ. Did you enter? Who entered AJ? Let me see your entry point. If you entered AJ, let me see your entry point. AJ has pulled down. Enter AJ, guys, and make sure you take it for 3 to 5 minutes. Be ready to roll. AJ is good. AJ would react. Guys, enter AJ. Enter AJ. Don't worry. Enter. Don't worry. JPY has gained some strength, but it's okay. JPY has gained some strength. It's okay. AED lost 1 strength, 1 bar. Okay, it's fine. Don't worry. Let's watch the market play out. It will react. Trust me, it will react. Though strength has lost, this lost 1 strength. AED lost 1 strength. JPY gained 1 strength. 9-0. Sheesh. I mean, I'm stunned. 9-0. Somebody has made $100 profit today. 9-0. Whoops. Some people are not happy. Man, this is good, guys. I want to see some fire emojis in the chat. Let me see some fire emojis in the chat if you are excited. Let me see some fire images in the chat. 9-0. Officially, we've done just 4-0. Some people are, oh man. Some people took multiple entries and everything was aligned. 9-0, guys. 9-0. 9-0. Wow. 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 Nice, nice, nice. Okay. If you met your target for the day, don't worry. Don't trade again. Something is wrong. Something is wrong with AJ. Something is wrong with AJ. Let's see. Let's see. I'll take my first roll on AJ. Multiple entries. Sheesh. 9-0. Come on, this is good. This is good. I was stunned because I didn't see that coming. Officially, we are 4-0. $100 profit. That's good. That's good, guys. That's good. That's good. AJ. It is losing strength. GPY is gaining strength. But that market needs some time. There might be a removement. So let's watch it. I've taken my first rule on AJ. Taking my first rule. Please don't lose it, guys. You can take 2 rules. That's why I advise take your trade for 3 minutes. I'm sorry, 3%. If you take your trade 3%, if you take your first rule and your second rule, it can't be more than 5%, right? So, and if you take a lesson of 5%, it's okay. It's okay. So please, just watch that market. AJ on 15 minutes. Yeah, AJ on 15 minutes. I'm not letting the trade go. I'll clear it. And I can take another entry here as well. So I've taken 2 entries. I'll clear it. Don't worry. Everything is aligned. Everything is aligned. AJ just lost. AJ lost some strength. He lost some strength. But he will gain that strength. So, guys, don't let the trade go. Don't let the trade go. And so people shot me 9-0, 6-0. Wow, 4-0. Please, that's all for today. We're only watching AJ. That's all for today, please. That's all for today. We'll go again tomorrow, 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. I will send the schedule on the Telegram group. So you see the schedule, so you know the timing. So we go again tomorrow, 6 a.m. Go again, 6 a.m. All right. So let's watch this. I'm going to watch this. I'm going to watch that. EJ wants to start. EJ wants to start. Okay. Man, this is good. I can see some screenshots. Sheesh. Sheesh. This is good. This is good. Tell you, this is good. This is good. This is good. This is over $100. You say you made $100. This is over $100 in profit. But this is good. I like to see it. I like to see it. I like to see it. AJ has lost some strength. Remember 2 rules. After 2 rules, let it go. After 2 rules. It's the rule. It's the rule. Just follow the rules. Just follow the rules. Something is wrong with AJ. Something is wrong with AJ. It's supposed to have reacted. So I'll take that as a lesson. Please don't go in on AJ again. Go in on AJ. I don't know what's happening. Currency spiked us. The analysis was correct. It was correct because it was supposed to react here. So let's watch it play. I've taken a role on this, but I won't take another role. I won't take another role. So if I take a lesson on it, that's fine. My score will be 5-2. It's okay. I didn't lose. Profit. I still got profit. So, but then I know some people are good already. Let's watch it play out. Let's watch it play out. Okay. See, Euro have lost so much strength. Euro have lost so much strength. So please, you can stay away from the market now. After this trade, okay, let me see just one more thing. Let me look at AUD chef. Let me look at AUD chef. If he's reacting, we'll go in. AUD chef. We have our zone. We saw it. This is the zone. 834. It comes there. But if it doesn't come there, don't bother. Can you see? Stochastic RSI. See, that's still up. So it needs to come down. Momentum is pushing downward. So this market will pull down. So until it pushes down, comes down, and begins its upward movement, except a new zone is created, which will not be good for us to go in. So I think that's it, guys, for this morning. I'll just watch this last trade before I go. I'll watch this last trade. I'll watch this last trade. But trust me, our analyses were complete. Our analyses were complete. Can I see your scores in the chat? Can I see your scores in the chat? Please put your scores in the chat. Put your scores in the chat. Put your scores in the chat, guys. I want to see your scores. Okay, that's okay. 2-2 is fine. 2-2 is fine. 2-2 is fine. 2-2 is fine. I mean, Alex is new. That's the funny thing. So he attended our session just once, and he just learned how to impute the signal, copy the signal into his broker, just copy and paste, and it's doing good. It's doing good. So that's okay. There's some irregularity right now. AUD is lost strength. So guys, let's leave it at that. Let's leave it at that. It's okay. Officially, we are 4-on-1. Let's take that as a lesson. Let's take that as a lesson. Officially, we are 4-on-1. Officially 4-on-1. Why some people had some good scores. Okay, guys, we'll go again tomorrow. 6 a.m. We'll go again 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. tomorrow. That's okay. If you had 2 clears and 2 lessons, that's okay. It's okay. It's okay.